Most people building AI agent system think the same way. More agents means better results. Add a reviewer, add a checker, add another layer. It seems logical, but there is a specific pattern that keeps showing up where adding more agent actually makes the final output worse. Not slightly worse, significantly worse. And it comes down to one thing most builders never think about. Let me explain what's actually happening inside these systems. When you build a multi agent pipeline, you typically have three things going on. One agent generates an output, another agent reviews it, and a third agent takes both and produces a final answer. On paper, that looks like a quality control system. In practice, what you are actually building is the voting mechanism. And voting mechanism have a well-known problem. They don't always vote for the truth, they vote for the agreement. When all three of your agents are from the same model, say all GPT or all Cloud or all Gemini, something specific happens. The final agent, that one making the decision, does not weigh the logic of what the reviewers. It weighs familiarity. It trusts the output that feels closest to its own reasoning patterns. So if the first agent made an error and the reviewer correctly flagged it, the final agent will vary off its side with the original error anyway. Not because it's stupid, but because the correction came from something that feels different to it. And this is the part most builders completely miss. You can have a reviewer that is right 100% of the time, perfectly accurate, catching every single mistake. And if your final agent share the same underlying model as the one that made the original error, it will still ignore the correction more than half of the time. The accuracy of your reviewer becomes almost irrelevant. What matters is whether your final agent is willing to listen to a different perspective at all. Now think about what happens when you add more agents to fixes. You assume more layer of a review means more chances to catch mistake. But in a system where all agents share the same model family, each additional agent just add another voice that agrees in with the original error. You're not adding oversight. You are adding consensus. And consensus is the system does not means correctness. It means the error becomes more stable, more infringed, harder to reverse. The system becomes more confident as it becomes more wrong. That's the pattern. More agents, stronger errors. So, what actually works? The fix is simpler than most people expect. You don't need a more complex pipeline. You don't need more agents. You need different ones. Specifically, your final decision making agent, the one synthesizes everything, needs to come from a different model family than the one that generated the original output. The architectural distance is what breaks the pattern. A cloud reviewer catching a Gemini error means nothing if another Gemini is making the final call. But put cloud in that final seat and the dynamic completely changes. It listens, it weighs the correction on its own merits rather than on familiarity. The practical implication here is straightforward. If you are running any kind of multi-agent workflow right now, content pipeline, coding assistance, research system, customer support automation, look at your synthesizers. Look at the agent making your final decisions. If it shares a model family with your propagator, your error rate is higher than it needs to be. And adding more agents will make it worse, not better. So mix your model deliberately. Treat architectural diversity as a design requirement, not an afterthought. The goal is not to have more agents checking the work. The goal is to have agents that are genuinely capable of disagreeing with each other when disagreement is warranted. That's the difference between a system that scales and one that confidently produces the same mistake at high volume.